What's wrong?
Waiter, why does my coffee taste like dirt?
Cause it's fresh ground.
Oh! Emma! Did you know Coca-Cola used to be green?
That's Pepsi.
Shh, I'm naked.
Dude, you're ugly. Dude, it is really dark in here.
Emma,
What, Rachel?
I have a confession.
What is it?
I'm ugly.
Beep. What? Beep. Wait, what? Beep. What? Beep. Beep!
Where are we? What the